Namaste. Today, now we are going to see the practice called Kandarasana. This practice is very good for mid back and lower back pain. This can be done by everyone. Please lie down on your back. Bring your both the legs together. After bringing your both the legs together, slowly bend your both the legs one by one. The position of the head is straight in this posture. After bringing your both the legs together, separate your legs slightly. Up to your hip level you can separate. The gap between your leg is 1 feet. Then hold your both the ankles and bring the ankle as close as possible. Your sole of the foot should be on the floor throughout the practice. Watch your breath. Next time when you inhale, slowly raise your hip up nicely as much as possible. The chin comes closer to the chest in this posture and stay there for some time. And then when you exhale, as you exhale, slowly keep your hip down on the floor. As you inhale up again, raise your hip as much as possible. Bring the chin closer to the chest and try to stay there for some time. As you exhale down, this is the right way of doing the practice. As I said, we should know the wrong way of doing also. It means the common mistake also. Because when we do, sometimes we will commit some mistakes. We are going to see that common mistakes now. Slowly raise your hip up. When you raise your hip up, see, if you should not raise your heels like this. Both the heels should be on the floor throughout the practice. This is the common mistake people will do during Kandarasana. Now slowly stretch your both the legs out and turn to any one side and come back to sitting position. Namaste.